Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing loose debris. Scrape with a spatula so the scrubber can work on actual grease. Heat the pan over medium for 2 to 3 minutes to warm and loosen oil. This makes stubborn fat turn viscous and easier to lift. Once warm, add about 1/4 cup of hot water and agitate with a chainmail or stiff brush. The steam and hot water break bonds between grease and metal. Make sure to scrape until most surface oil appears dispersed. Once the major grease is removed, tackle the remaining film with coarse salt and a little mild dish soap if your seasoning tolerates it. Salt provides controlled abrasion while soap dissolves residual oil. Scrub firmly in circular motions across the surface and inside curves, paying attention to edges and the spout. Rinse thoroughly with hot water, then inspect under bright light for sticky patches. If spots linger, repeat salt scrub on those areas, then rinse again to ensure no grit remains before drying. You must dry the pan immediately. Place it on low heat until all moisture evaporates so rust can't form. While still hot, wipe the cooking surface with about 1 teaspoon of a high smoke oil to reseal pores. Then place upside down in a 425 degrees oven for 30 to 45 minutes to polymerize a fresh seasoning layer. If grease persists after this, repeat the heat and salt scrub rather than soaking overnight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.